हम मिल चुके हैं सनम's character Sameer and my hangover of it that he is called Sameer in this film.
कर रहा हूँ अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स, बैंड बजाने के लिए नहीं, मजे करने के लिए.
For a recent one, I would say Alaya. I think that was a great debut.
There are so many things that Vidyut can do and other actors can't. But what is that one thing that other actors can do and Vidyut can't? What do you think is something that other actors can and you are unable to do?
हो सकता है वो अपनी माँ के बिना जी सकते हो, मैं नहीं जी सकता.
Wow. One thing that is prohibited in lockdown and you think should be prohibited even after the lockdown ends.
बहुत चीजें हैं यार, ऐसे तो हजारों चीजें. मैं देख रहा था कि रेप केसेस 95% रिड्यूस हो गए हैं बाहर. आई थिंक वो बहुत सही चीज है. जब लॉकडाउन बंद होगा इस पे ही ध्यान देना चाहिए. खुलेगा यार तो ये ध्यान देना चाहिए कि हुआ क्या, ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे अक्सर रेप बलात्कार होते हैं, उन जगहों को मार्क किया जाना चाहिए. Nobody is thinking about this. Everybody is thinking ये होगा वो होगा. I was reading a research about how it has reduced the rape cases. We need to figure out. मतलब ये आदमी जब बाहर जाते हैं तभी होता है, कहाँ होता है, कैसे होता है, इस पे ध्यान करना चाहिए. Nobody is doing research on it.
Yeah, that's a very good point. So what is the best thing that has happened to you during the lockdown?
My life has been happening very well. Everything about my life has been perfect.
What is the meanest thing a film critic has said about you?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. एक भी ऐसी नहीं है जिसको बोलूं ये सेकंड मीन है, ये फर्स्ट मीन है, ये थर्ड मीन है. सब बहुत मीन. So you know there was an English journalist and there was an interview where I was asked that you look so good in the film Commando 2 and your body is so good. You inspired so many people. What were you thinking when you saw yourself on screen? So I told the person the truth that I thought, oh my God, how much hard work has gone in. And the journalist misconstrued it, the film critic misconstrued it, and in the introduction of my movie, critiquing it, it was said that अरे ये तो self-obsessed है, ये बोल रहे कि कितनी मेहनत की है, ऐसा कोई बोलता है. And I thought that was really mean because you know when you look at yourself and your achievements, you should feel proud. People shouldn't say कि अरे obsessed है यार. So my whole idea of feeling so proud of me was just in a matter shaken for a micromillisecond. How do people think like that? That's me. I think people should be appreciated for what they've really worked towards. And that's what's lacking in our industry also. When people ask me what's missing, missing is the acknowledgement. Missing is the respect. Missing is the kindness that has to be displayed. And I think that's the only thing. Rest, everybody is happy, successful, working, not important. These are the things they need to really imbibe.
So in Hollywood, there is this culture that if you are a film critic, then you cannot, then you're not supposed to be doing interviews with the stars. So there has to be, there should not be any conflict of interest. Do you think that is missing in Bollywood and India?
No, but इस वाले केस में ऐसा नहीं होता है. If somebody had interviewed me and they had watched the interview, like somebody famous like you, but the critic just went wrong.
How would you react to these YouTube comments on Khuda Hafiz trailer? Looks, style, charm, acting, सब कुछ है इस बंदे के पास. अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स करे तो सबकी बैंड बजा देगा बॉलीवुड में.
सही बोल रहे हैं. ये सब सही बोलते हैं. कर रहा हूँ अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स. बैंड बजाने के लिए नहीं, मजे करने के लिए.
Alright, so the second comment is, अरे यार ये ऐसी फिल्म थिएटर के लिए बनी है, क्यों रिलीज हो रही है OTT पे? सीटी ताली वाली फिल्म है.
घर पे बैठ के बजाना. एक नया दौर चल रहा है, नई नई चीजें कोशिश करो, बहुत मजे आएंगे.
3 reasons why everyone should definitely watch Khuda Hafiz.
शिवालिका ओबरॉय and शिवालिका ओबरॉय.
All right, anything else?
बोल रही है recognition इस मूवी से मिले. मैं तो चाहता हूँ अल्लाह करे, भगवान करे, सब करे कि तुम्हें इतनी recognition मिले कि तुम कभी और मांगो ही ना recognition. बस हो गया.
वो तो कभी होगा ही नहीं. I will never say stop.
तुम सूझी हुई लड़की हो जाएगा.
All right, so after this very interesting rapid fire with Vidyut Jamwal, Shivalika, one quality of Vidyut Jamwal that you'd want to see in your life partner.
बहुत सही सवाल पूछा आपने.
Even my life partner should be on that list. Most dangerous man in the world.
दो ताली दो जल्दी से. बहुत सही जवाब. 10 out of 10. Don't ask her any other question.
Okay, but nevertheless, we'll move on. In these circumstances, Shivalika, if you could have unlimited storage of something, what would it be?
Time.
Unlimited
और
time.
रहना है लॉकडाउन के अंदर.
No, just time.
लॉकडाउन में रहिए.
I feel we lose out on time a lot and we kind of keep wanting more time in life. So I think time is something that I would want unlimited.
If you come to know that there was a hidden camera in your house and it recorded all your activities during lockdown, and now you want to release it on YouTube, what would be the quirkiest headline for that?
ये सही सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, अलग-अलग पूछ रहा हूँ।
It's only going to be related to food. It's going to be something related to food. Binge with Shivalika Oberoi. Binge watch and binge eat with Shivalika Oberoi.
Which actress, according to you, had the best Bollywood debut?
There are many. I think for a recent one, I would say Alaya.
Okay, for Jawani Jagan.
Like the most
Alaya.
recent one that I can think of is Alaya. I think
Alright.
that was a great debut.
If today you could talk to any person in Bollywood for an hour, who would that be and what would you talk about? Apart from Vidyut Jamwal.
Kareena Kapoor Khan.
You're
You
a
know
huge
why?
fan.
Like
You're a huge fan.
huge.
So have you met her?
No, I attended film fair, but I kind of left and she arrived. So miss ho gaya thoda wo.
What is the craziest thing you have ever done to grab someone's attention?
Not give attention.
और बहुत सही जवाब दिए तुमने। क्या बोलूं?
Intelligent.
Yeah.
Deep. Deep.
Best things.
हाँ?
Yeah, just cut all ties. The attention is all on you.
What was your first impression after watching Dil Bechara?
Oh God. I actually did not. I know everybody just randomly went and started posting about it the minute they watched the film. I was just stuck. Like, I think I was still there, and I don't know. I have always seen Sushant in the same list of people who made it big in the industry while being an outsider. And he was always on that list. I don't know. I had a lot of emotions going on. But definitely I have a lot of good memories and good wishes for him always. This was his last film. It was only fond memories. Like, I did feel very, very upset and very, very low. But yeah, I just want to remember him for the good. And I know you've been doing that, Faridun, very well. Like, I've been seeing your interviews and the ones that you post about him. And it's amazing how you have been keeping him alive during this time.
In one word, if you have to describe the following people, Vidyut Jamwal, if you have to define in one word.
Humble.
Shah Rukh Khan.
King.
Okay, Kareena.
Pooh.
Taimur Ali Khan.
Cutie.
If you were to make a film on corona pandemic and lockdown, having two protagonists in lead, a doctor and a police officer, whom would you cast?
Either a doctor or a
No.
police
So
officer.
there'll be two protagonists. One is doctor and one is a police officer. Whom would you cast?
A doctor and a police officer. Well, I would cast Vidyut Jamwal and Shivalika Oberoi.
So she is the doctor and he's the police officer.
Absolutely. Or she's the police officer and he's the doctor.
That is,
Why
I think,
can't
bit
a
more
woman be a doctor or a police
absolutely.
officer, right?
Why not? All for it. So and becomes more unconventional that she playing the cop and he playing the
Yeah,
doctor.
absolutely.
That makes sense. All right. Due to the pandemic, what's something that will be changed about the shooting of the films that hurts you as a director?
Well, what hurts me is that the industry within the pandemic is going through a tough time, and a lot of people don't have enough work. You know, it's changed everything for everybody. So I feel like on the shoot, I mean, if you're saying that what's changed within the pandemic whilst you're shooting, then again, that people-to-people connection, because we are in the creative space and we like to stay connected to people and we like to hug and hold and detali or whatever, that connection with people, because I think that's what's missing most. And then of course you're concerned about what concerns me is how people coming to work, how they're going back from work. On the shoot, तो खैर producers और सारे लोग ख्याल रख ही देंगे. But yeah, it's tough times for the industry.
All right. So who, according to you, is the best action star in Bollywood apart from Vidyut?
The best action star apart from Vidyut in Bollywood, I think, has been Shah Rukh Khan. Because for me, Shah Rukh Khan is always...
Action star.
Yes, action star.
I've always
Okay.
said it, brother Farooq. This is the first time I'm hearing you say this. I would say I have seen. Sorry,
No, please.
You know, like action star वही नहीं होता है जो सिर्फ action फिल्में करे. मैं भी तो action खुदा हाफिज कर रहा हूँ. You know, he's one of the few people I watch and I admire the alacrity that he has in his body. With natural action वाले आदमी में ही होते.
Basically, Shah Rukh Bhai has always done emotional action, something that I relate to. So that's why I'm saying that for me, he is that suave, that swag, and yet the emotional connect within the action. You know, that's the connection I feel like he brings in a very larger than life way.
Okay, which of the following films do you think will bring respite for the exhibitors? Radhe, Suryavanshi, or 83?
Bijan Daruwala.
83 is going to be one of the biggest films the country will see after the lockdown. There has been no cricket, there has been no cinema. I think it's going to bring both those elements together, and it's going to give hope. It's going to create a very good energy, which is going to be back in the theaters. And I feel like 83 could be that film that will easily cross 500 crores plus at the box office post the lockdown is over and post the theaters open up in a normal way.
3 actors in Bollywood who have an excellent potential but are untapped yet.
So I have always, and I'm saying this with all humility, I have always felt that about Vidyut, that like there is so much I see in him, and I'm really glad that in Khuda Hafiz it's gone like one sit. See, he's already an action star. We all know that, but I'm sure Vidyut or any other actor or a director like me or you in your personal life, we don't want to plateau, right? We want to make it better. We want to become better. We want to go further. So definitely Vidyut is that, but now he's not on that list anymore because I feel like after Khuda Hafiz, the true potential is going to be seen. The other actors who haven't yet explored their true potential, it's a difficult one to kind of answer. I think every actor these days is getting some kind of an interesting, opportunity in that sense. But Saif Ali Khan is again an actor I feel like is a little left unexplored. Like I think there's a lot more to Saif, so to speak, and I'm looking forward to this thing Tandav that he's doing, which is going to come on Amazon. Which other actor might I say? I think again, like I am still waiting to see a little bit more films of Shah Rukh Bhai, like Chak De, or like, in that flavor. So I'm like, I don't know, unfulfilled potential or not, but I'm definitely looking forward to what is going to be Shah Rukh Bhai's kind of next zone that he goes into. I'm looking forward to see that.
Me too.
Last question to you. Which is the finest film of the following directors according to you? Finest film of the following directors. Rajkumar Hirani, which is his finest film according to you?
Munna Bhai MBBS.
Yash Chopra.
Lamhe.
Oh, that's a very good choice.
Yeah.
Kabir Khan.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan, definitely.
Okay. And Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. My
Hum Dil De Chuke. All right. So director.
It's because of Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam's character Sameer and my hangover of it that he is called Sameer in this film.
Oh, that's interesting. That's a very good analogy.
It's my hangover of that film.